Hi guys, today I'm going to do a pack opening against what's happening today is both Manchesters going up against each other. We've got Manchester City at home, Manchester United up away. We've got 3 packs for the first half, and the other half we've got 3 packs. Let's get stuck in, should we? Let's see if we're going to get any. I wonder who's going to win. Any goalkeepers that count as a midfielder or a defender. Doesn't like no one's won in that pack. Next pack. Starburst. Looks like no one's winning right now. It's still 0-0. Okay, that would count, but it's not an actual player. Still. Okay, let's count it then, as it's a manager. It's 1-0. I mean, it could be any of the players. It's 1-0 for them. 1-0 for Manchester City. We've got... Oh no! We've got... Oh no, it's 2-0. That ain't looking good for Man U. How's it getting back for the second half? Okay, let's see. Come on. Can we get any luck? Can we get any Man United? Come on. Any money? But right now it's 2-0. To Man City. Oh, let's go. It's 1. Oh, nice. 3-2-1. That's 3-1. No. Oh, let's go. I know we're not going to be looking for any of the 100 clubs, but we got one. It's John Terry, legend. Okay. Doesn't look like that Man City might be winning. We don't know. All Chelsea defender. What would it be doing? Man U v Man City. Come on. If you want more of these, please like and subscribe. And I can do more of these if you want them. Oh no! What's that? 4-1. Carl Walker scores. No. they're not going to be able to get it. They're not going to win, Man U. Oh no! That ain't looking good. That would probably be. I think Man U might have lost. Man U's definitely lost this. Oh, he was at Man U. That doesn't really count. Oh, let's go! They got one back. Let's go! They got one back. Let's go. Come on. Oh. I mean, the scores were. No, let's not count the manager because that wouldn't really count. It was 4-2. That was a really bad one. Please like and subscribe. Who do you think's actually going to win though? I think probably Man United. Because they've got Ronaldo. But they've got Kevin De Bruyne and Jack Grealish. I don't know. It'd be hard. Please like, subscribe and comment who's going to win it.